How do I deposit, withdraw cryptocurrency? With the Binance deposit or withdrawal function, you can transfer your crypto assets from your Binance account to other platforms or wallets. Let's take a look. How to deposit crypto on Binance. Let's take 10 USDT as an example to see how to transfer crypto from a corresponding platform to your Binance account in 2 easy steps. 1. Choose the cryptocurrency's deposit address on Binance. 2. Copy the deposit address and paste it on the address field on the platform you intend to withdraw funds. Log into your Binance account, select Wallet, Overview, Deposit, then select Crypto Deposit. Select USDT. Choose the deposit network, and you will see all of the supported networks on Binance. BEP2 refers to BNB Beacon Chain. BEP20 refers to BNB Smart Chain, BSC. ERC20 refers to the Ethereum network. TRC20 is a technical standard used for smart contracts on the Tron network. We can see the networks as different banks, and keep in mind that you cannot transfer your assets through an unsupported network. For example, although the BEP20 address and ERC20 address look similar, the BEP20 address handling fee is lower than the ERC20. Please do not choose an address due to the lower handling fees. Make sure to select a supported network. And if you choose the BEP20 as the deposit address, but the withdrawal platform only supports the Ethereum network, you will lose your digital assets. After selecting the deposit network, ERC20, click to copy the USDT deposit address. Next, open the platform or wallet that you need to withdraw, and copy the ERC20 address to the withdrawal address column. After confirming the withdrawal, the cryptocurrency will be added to your balance. The network confirmations usually take a few minutes, so please wait patiently for the transfer to be processed. And you can find transaction details under Transaction History. How to withdraw cryptocurrency on Binance? Let's try with BNB withdrawal and use BEP2 as the network to see how it works. Go to Deposit and select BNB. Under Network, select BNB for BNB Beacon Chain BEP2. Click to copy the deposit address and memo. Go to Withdraw and select BNB. Paste the address and check the network is BNB Beacon Chain BEP2. Choose the wallet you want to withdraw from and enter the desired amount. You will see the corresponding transaction fee and then click Withdraw to withdraw BNB. Since some specific tokens in the networks use the same address, you will have to fill in the memo to identify the user's transfer transaction. Therefore, please make sure that both memo and deposit addresses are accurate and correctly filled. Check the details and click on Withdraw. Next, you need to verify your request with 2FA verification. Please enter the phone or email verification code within the time limit. Please note, if you input the wrong information or select the wrong network when making a transfer, your assets will be permanently lost. Please make sure that all of your information is entered correctly before making a transfer.